Before the opening bell, U.S. futures, they remain on the upside after they jumped to a record close on Thursday after Congress confirmed Joe Biden as winner of the U.S. presidential election. Now, U.S. indices, they closed up on Thursday, lifted by shares in automobiles and components, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as the tech, hardware, and equipment sectors. This all as 71% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, in the headlines first, we have Micron Technology, which happens to be a manufacturer of memory chips. That company gaining ground after hours after reporting first quarter adjusted EPS of 78 cents, beating forecast and up from 48 cents a year ago on adjusted revenue of $5.8 billion US dollars. And then there's Boeing, the aircraft manufacturer, saying that it has reached an agreement with the U.S. Department of Justice where it will pay about $2.5 billion to resolve the department's investigation into the company relating to the evaluation of the Boeing 737 MAX airplane by the Federal Aviation Administration. And then there's Apple, as South Korean carmaker Hyundai Motor confirmed that it's in talks with the company regarding the development of a self-driving car between both. Meanwhile, taking a look at today's market action, there's no major earnings expected, but there happens to be a bit of a busy session on the economic docket. Before the release of the opening bell, we do have the combination of U.S. non-farm payrolls figures and the U.S. unemployment rate. And then following the opening bell, we have the release of U.S. wholesale inventories. Then in the afternoon, U.S. consumer credit figures. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500, that's where we begin. Intraday, that's looking for 38.49. The NASDAQ, meanwhile, intraday, that happens to see further advance. This while the Dow Jones intraday, not only is that in focus, but the bias remains bullish for the pair. Now, long positions above 30,900 are favored, with targets at 31,250 and 31,500 in extension.